Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW 1 Series hood. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a click as the primary latch disengages. This action will cause the hood to pop up slightly, indicating it's ready for the next step. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look for the lever. Now, move to the front of your BMW 1 Series. You'll need to locate the secondary safety latch, which is usually positioned under the center of the hood's leading edge. Gently feel around for a small lever or tab. Once found, either push this latch to the side or lift it upwards. This action fully releases the hood, allowing you to raise it completely and access the engine bay. With the safety latch released, you can now lift the hood all the way open. Use both hands to ensure a smooth and controlled movement. Next, find the hood support rod, which is typically clipped into place on the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully unclip it and insert the end into the designated slot on the vehicle's frame to securely hold the hood open. To close the hood, first remove the support rod from its slot and secure it back in its original clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 12 inches from fully closing. From this height, let the hood drop, allowing its weight to engage both the primary and secondary latches. You should hear 2 distinct clicks, confirming it's securely closed. For more great tips and deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below for links.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.